Another day, another dollar. So what we have here is the barangay going around handing rice out. Now they've changed what they're doing, where now it depends how many you got in the families. How does it work now with the kilos?
For example, us, we have four members here. So we have 20 kilos. One person, 5 kilos.
There you go. So they're sorting everybody out in the poor bit first, round the back. You know, everybody that I get a bit excited about. Not excited and happy excited, I mean excited in I'm not happy excited. So
Stay there, don't come.
So I'm happy that these people are getting something to eat now, and they'll be happy they're getting rice. Here you are, look. There's some conversation going on. Now I'm not Mel's just told me they're giving stuff out, but I can't see anybody unless they're round here on the other side. It is boiling hot, the sun. It's early in the morning, but it's really, really hot. Hello.
Hello.
And here's me.
Okay.
I could be in the UK freezing my nuts off now. Are they round here? I don't know. If they're not round here, guys, then we'll have a look round the other side. This will be a big relief to a lot of people here.
Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning. So they may be round this bit. We'll have a look round here, because this is the poorest bit round here, guys.
Hello, Chris.
Hello, how are you? No, there's nobody round here, but look at the fighting cocks. They're everywhere. And some smelly fish. Which are in plastic bags. I can't smell them, so that's good. Hello. Hi. So I'm happy now that these are getting rice, because it's a bit worrying, you know, with the kids and stuff. It's a girl that, well, not point her out, but there's a girl, 12 years old.
What's your name?
Jonathan. He knows my name. He's said it no end of times. 12 years old and got pregnant. I'll not tell you who by. I'll leave that to your imagination. So I don't know what's going on. It's looks really quite interesting. Mel says there's a lorry full of rice and they're handing it out. So you can imagine what the conversation is. Where's the rice? I want to see the rice. I want you to see the barangay doing a good job and handing all this rice out. So, look how big my windows are. Right, when they're open, there's a nice breeze comes through. But there's no breeze today, so it's just heat. Mel, what's up with your trousers? Or rather, your shorts? They're all ripped.
Oh, it's this side.
That's a bit sexy, isn't it? Hello, 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 hello. I've been round, there's nothing there. What's going on? Huh? Tapas na? What do you mean tapas na? You've only just got me out with a camera. She says come out with a camera, Chris. They're giving the... Well, where's our rice then?
There on the door.
They're on the door?
Yo. 20. She asked me if we give us rice. I said yes, of course.
Yeah, you see, ooh, do you know what? So irritating that rich foreigner when we give the rice away anyway. And I've actually had 3 people I've blocked because they've said how disgusted they are that we're taking rice when there's people out there that haven't got rice. So there you go. Here they are.
I forgot to bring the umbrella.
That's alright, I want your face brown. Yeah. I need rice. Joke lang.
It's okay.
That is a black.
Yeah. A Brit in the Philippines. You'll be on it. So you're doing a good job.
Thank you. Okay, Naga. Please subscribe to Brit in the Philippines.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must make